Hey, how you doing? This is Ty with greenregiment.com, and we have finally returned from our beautiful time in the beautiful country of Brazil. And you know, we just can't get enough of that country. So this week's smoothie is going to feature a Brazilian fruit that you can easily find here in the States. This week's smoothie is called Papaya Passion. First two ingredients: 2 cups of water, 2 cups of ice. Next ingredients, we're gonna go with 1 banana. Now bananas are high in potassium, and potassium helps reduce the amount of sodium in our body, keeping us nice and lean. Now our next ingredient is our featured ingredient, Brazilian papaya. And Brazilian papayas are very easy to prepare for your smoothie. All you have to do is peel them and cut it right down the middle. Now Brazilian papayas, as you can see here by the color, are orange, and a lot of times in a grocery store you'll see green papaya. But unlike green papaya, Brazilian papaya you eat when they're ripe, and it gets its orange pigment from what's known as carotenoids. And a very popular carotenoid is beta carotene. And beta carotene, once it enters our body, is then converted into vitamin A, and vitamin A helps strengthen our vision. Brazilian papaya also contains an enzyme known as papain, and papain helps break down proteins in our body, which aids in better digestion for our systems. Papain is also used in various pain and anti-inflammatory medications. So papayas are extremely beneficial for us. So for this recipe, we're going to use 1 papaya. And our next ingredient, papaya seeds. Now papaya seeds contain the enzyme papain as well, but papaya seeds are also used to fight intestinal parasites. Now many people have intestinal parasites and they don't even know it. So in this case, a teaspoon of prevention beats a pound of cure. Now the only reason why I'm making this ingredient optional, and I rarely do this for our smoothies, but I'm making this ingredient optional is because, and I'm only using a small amount at that, papaya seeds have a very, very peppery flavor. So if you are very sensitive to pepper or just that pepper taste or sensation, then I would tell you not to use these papaya seeds in your smoothie. However, if you would like to protect yourself from any possible intestinal parasites, or you'd like to have that little kick in your smoothie, then go ahead and use a teaspoon of papaya seeds. All right, and our next ingredient, 2 cups of watermelon. Now watermelon's high in vitamins A and vitamin C. Vitamin C helps strengthen our immune system. Watermelon also has a very, very high water content, so that keeps our bodies nice and hydrated. And our next and final ingredients is our green, and we're gonna go with 3 medium-sized leaves of kale. And kale high in vitamins K, A, and C. Vitamin K helps promote healthy blood clotting, and also vitamin K helps enhance our bone strength. And these green leaves are filled with phytonutrients, which are natural health boosters, and they are filled with fiber, and fiber helps satiate our hunger and stabilize our blood sugar levels. So these greens are extremely beneficial for us, and within this smoothie, it creates an absolutely wonderful fusion. So let's check out the pour, nice and smooth. Oh wow. So for you papaya lovers, you will absolutely love this smoothie. I taste the papaya, a slight hint of the papaya seeds, not overbearing, so that's why I say stick to about 1 teaspoon. Now the papaya passion makes 7 cups, each cup totaling less than 59 calories per cup. So let's say you drink 2 or 3 cups as a meal replacement for, let's say, your breakfast. And you know, if you don't want to make it in the morning because let's say you have a loud blender and you don't want to wake up your neighbors, then you can go ahead and make it at night. Make it the night before, not a problem. These smoothies keep for at least 48 hours. So you can make it the night before, you wake up, before you head out the door for work, reach in the refrigerator, grab the smoothie, shake it up a little bit, and you're all set for the day. But keep in mind, this smoothie is so nutritious that you can replace it for your lunch or your dinner. Now, if this is your first time watching any of our videos, I first of all thank you for watching the video, and if you've been following the green regimen all along, thank you again. Thank you for your continued support. If you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure you subscribe to the video. Please leave some comments if you have any questions. We'll definitely be happy to answer them for you. We would love some video responses. So, hey, let's say you have a favorite smoothie of the green regimen, or maybe you have your own just green regimen inspired smoothie that you want to film for us. Go ahead and make it, film it, and we'll go ahead and we will send it all over the place. You know, we'll put it on Facebook, or you can send it to me here on YouTube. Not a problem. Just make sure that you're making these smoothies, getting them into your system, because they're extremely beneficial for us. Always remember, a smoothie a day keeps the doctor away. We'll see you next week.